So you
I need to come a little close. Hi Amit Bhai and Moreno.
Hi.
So nice to have you here. I mean, it's such a pleasure coming to the washing seminar.
Big pleasure for us.
Yes, definitely.
It was really informative. I mean, it's really informative. I got so many new informations, but I would like to hear from you. What are the new technologies and new developments from ISCO, which you'd like to tell about?
Actually, definitely we're more focused on stretch fabric. Stretch is the future of denim. So whatever we are trying to develop in new things, it has to be combined with the stretch thing. So, but we're not trying to do something in the conventional stretch methods. We're always trying to add something on it. So with definitely more better performance in jeans, and somehow with the better performance in recovery, or definitely better performance for shape recoveries, and also we really want to show ladies and definitely with a good looking. Therefore, all our aim is try to make them happy, because emotionally, if you make them feel happy, definitely this is the future. And definitely, when people say you're looking very nice on this is our aim. So I will try to catch their emotions.
And it's not so easy to make women happy, you know.
Not really. It's not an easy thing to make them happy, but at least you can give them happy feelings
Through the right product, let's say, we can do.
We saw some really interesting products from ISCO. Can you tell about the latest innovations? I mean,
Yeah, let's say that also our aim through this seminar is to show what our customer can do through our fabrics. And I brought some idea with the new interpretation of it, because my aim is to explain to our customer that through our fabric they can reach many different looks also. Generally in the laundry it's difficult to have innovation, to wash different kind of fabric with the new technique, but let's say if the customer stay with us with ISCO, also we can bring them with the new technology, new system, also to show what they can do in the laundry. Like as I explained during the seminar, we have many new technique. Like in this case, we are using a new laser machine, which looking like natural, as you see. Scrape instead of scrape, you use laser. You have this kind of vintage shape effect, but everything is just using with the light, only laser, nothing done by hand. Another new technique is changing. Instead of to use sandblast, we are using ice. It's a kind of CO2, low temperature, and we take out the indigo from the pants only using ice.
it's replacement of sandblasting.
Yeah.
Let's say that we use the technology copying from taking out the color from the big building. In the big city, they are cleaning the building with the same system. Also sandblasting is coming from the building cleaning.
Okay.
So now we are bringing this technology on the garment.
It's very interesting actually, because it does not cause any. It is environmental friendly.
Absolutely, yeah.
It only gives water, I think, and there is no sand or something. I mean, nothing involved in that.
And it's possible to take under control like the sandblast without any problem for breathing for people. Healthy.
Okay.
Also, we are using a new kind of resin. General, the resin are very difficult to use in the laundry because you cannot save the stretch. As our aim is to explain that we have 60-70% of stretchability, using the resin we close the fabric and we don't have any more the stretchability as before. With this innovation we have a resin 3D effect with shiny look, keeping the elasticity. This thanks to the strong research which ISCO is doing together with laundry and together with also the chemical producer. Also, as you can see in the washing seminar, here is a chain.
Yeah.
There are people which are washing, people of fabric, customers, and all the chain of the indigo textile world are here.
And it's a good brainstorming from different ideas coming from different.
Our aim is the same. So the goal is to have, as Emmett said before, to make people happy.
And also the men, not only girls, also we are trying to make the men's happy too, because, and actually I also always say, men's realize the benefits of the stretch little later than the women.
Much later, yeah.
Absolutely. So now our aim is to try to make the men's also have this the comfortness.
And without losing the benefits of raw look of the denim or the men's look of the denim.
Absolutely. So that's why our new stretch denim fabrics for men's looking definitely masculine. That's why they should not hesitate to looking feminine. They are looking absolutely like this, absolutely looking very, very masculine. So with a very good comfortness.
So through the camera we cannot show that it's stretch. It looks like rigid.
No, I can show it.
Yeah,
I can show it.
It's 25% of elasticity.
And all these effects are possible on this stretch. I mean,
Yes, and also another thing, lots of laundry is afraid having a stretch fabrics because it's not easy to handle, easy to destroy. But our new stretch fabrics, very easy to, and also that you can apply any kind of finishing techniques in our new stretch fabrics.
So I mean, this looks. I mean, if from a distance it looks like it's raw fabric. I mean, it's a rigid fabric.
Yeah.
But in stretch, but it is in stretch.
Absolutely.
So it gives the comfort without losing the aesthetics of men's.
We are giving the regular vintage fabric. Additionally, we are adding a comfort on it. And so, whatever you get, if you have something additional, it's more than welcome.
It's much more. This is a loom fix. This you call the loom fix.
This is a self-dry fabric, so this is more masculine fabric.
The garment what I'm wearing is a loom fix. This is new technique. You can see the weft come through. The diagonal is typical of a rigid fabric, but this is 30% of elasticity. So I'm looking like a rigid fabric, really vintage, but with the performance of 30% of elastic, high power fabric.
So that's a really great benefit for the men's.
This is research. This is big investment which ISCO is doing every season, every collection. ISCO develop every collection more than 100 different fabric, every collection. And I am interpreting this 120 different fabric. Can you imagine that this volume of research very big? But we are a leader for this.
And I also heard that you have a big, you can say, a kind of a library in Italy called Iscoteca.
Yeah, in Iscoteca in Italy, in the center of Italy, we have an archive of almost 20,000 different fabric washed in a different way, with the interpretation of biggest laundry all over the world. Not only Italy, there is also interpretation of our fabric from Japan and from the West Coast. Because let's say that the main center for washing, we think that is coming from Italy, from Japan, and from Los Angeles.